Hey guys, I'm very excited about this video today. We have some Dreamcatcher. We got the Apocalypse Follow Us special clips slash performances. Yeah, I'll just call it that. I don't know what I put it in the title, but I'm gonna just call it that. Either way, we're reacting to the special clip for Fairytale. And then I didn't see special clips for the other songs, but I did see some performances that I didn't see yet at all. So we have a performance for Vision and Rainy Day on the Tong Culture channel. I like that channel. So yeah, we got two performances for that. I'm highly excited. So let's just get right into this. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we got everything set. I haven't heard this song in months, which is crazy because this is in my top 3 favorite songs of theirs. This is probably, to be honest, I don't know what my favorite song of theirs is. It's between this, I want to say Jazz Bar, and Daybreak. I don't know my favorite. They have way too many good songs, but this is in my top, I'll say top 5 for sure, but probably number 1. All right, 3, 2, 1. This song is so good. So with all the energy. Looks like different concerts. She looks so cool. I would pay so much money to watch her sing that live and just feel that and just feel that moment. Oh my God, Dami. Dami looks amazing right there. Wow. Don't you? Wow, she looks amazing. Bro, this song is so good. Also, Xian and Yuhyun, probably all of them, I'm pretty sure, but I'm just noticing these two right now. They sound just like the actual song when they sing live. I think all of them actually do. They sound just like the actual song. That is such a talent. Wow. Oh, their concert is such a vibe, bro. Hold up, Xian. Xian looks so good. Their concert is. I've seen different concerts, like different pieces of different concerts from other groups. Why does their concert feel so personal? Like with their fans, it seems very personal with their fans. It seems like a joint concert. It seems just like a. It seems like a hangout in a way. I really love the vibe of their concert. It's like everyone is the same there. Like everyone is each other. You gotta sing, Xian. She looks so cool. All right. Well, look at the crowd. Look at them. They got me in my feels, dude. This is such an amazing song, and I gotta watch concerts of theirs, at least one or two or something. I gotta watch a concert very soon. They're also coming here, I believe, next month. Is it next month or this month? They're coming to Houston, Texas, I believe, and someplace else. I gotta stop playing and actually buy a ticket. Okay, we can think about that another time. All right, let's get into the next one. All right, y'all. Now we got Vision. I don't know what they're about to do. They're blowing kisses right now. But yeah, this is another performance. Like I said, I didn't see any other special clips like that one that we just react to for Fairytale. So I got this one, and then also the showcase stage for Rainy Day. I saved Rainy Day for last because that song gets me in my feels, and it's just a very good way to end the video. Yeah. All right, let's get into this.
네, 꿈꿔 안녕하세요. 드림캐쳐 수아입니다. 오늘 저희가 들려드릴 곡은 따끈따끈한 신곡
비전인데요.
이 곡은 저희 매종에 이어서 아포칼립스 두 번째 이야기예요. 여러분들께 빨리 들려드리고 싶고
여러분도 저희와 신념이 같다면 함께 하시죠.
Go!
I love them so much. This is my favorite title track of theirs. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. Dami, calm down. Turn this up. You hear the back vocals? That threw me off. I'm sorry. It threw me off. Wow. Handong's voice, wow, and Handong's look, Jesus. Handong is perfection. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have known she was doing choreo. Out of all of them, I should have known. In my part.
Yeah. Turning every page, turning every page, turning every page. 조금씩 좁혀가 유력한 주동자 남겨진 victim, big pain, deep fray. 찾아 like Jackie Chan, quickly, swiftly.
That is my part. That is my part. In the car. Y'all ever listen to it in the car? Turned up with the bass?
Yeah. Turning every page, turning every page, turning every page. 조금씩 좁혀가 유력한 주동자 남겨진 victim, big pain, deep fray. 찾아 like Jackie Chan, quickly, swiftly.
Handong look very good.
깊게 내려치는 thunder 이내 지켜낸단 그 위에 깃발을 들고도 맞서 싸워 견딜 수 없어 더는 숨을 수 없어 for much
발을 맞춰 전진 real love 저기 가득한 그 위로 우리 모두에게 solid
I'll give you vision 잠깐의 아픔은 견뎌 쉬어갈수록 더 번져 그들에겐 없어 reason
Her voice so powerful.
I gave you vision.
Oh, okay.
눈부신 너의 내일과 아름다운 이곳을 위해
I loved you.
우리를 향해 give it up tonight 우와 발을 맞춰 전진 real 저기 가득한 길 위로 우리 모두에게 살로 I'll give you vision 잠깐의 아픔은 견뎌 쉬어갈수록 더 번져 그들에겐 없어 reason I'll give you vision 감사합니다. 많은 사랑 부탁드려요.
That was, what's this? I don't know what that is. I'll watch it later. That was so good. I'm a little exhausted now. I'm like hyped up, but I'm very exhausted. That's what they always do to me. God. Okay. All right. Let's get to the next one. All right, y'all. Now we got Rainy Day showcase stage. Okay. All right. Man, this song here, it gets me on my feels, dude. And it's so good. With the rain, creates a certain atmosphere. They all look stunning, very beautiful. Wow. That hair is laid. Right here.
오늘 와주셔서 너무 감사합니다. 밖이 추우니 집에 돌아갈 땐 조심히 따뜻하게 돌아가셨으면 좋겠습니다. 감사합니다.
No one makes music like them. Wait, they did a Vision one? Wait, they did a Vision showcase? Wait, what did I just look at? Wait. Oh, never mind, y'all. Never mind. That's 44 minutes. Okay. Let me save that for later. Okay, all right. Wow. Can I just say that? Wow. Dreamcatcher, I'm so thankful for y'all, bro. I'm so thankful for y'all for a few reasons, but the main reason is introducing me, not only for that one person that introduced me, that recommended Dreamcatcher at the beginning, but when I did the reaction to Dreamcatcher, the amount of people, like, it got so many views immediately. And that's usually how, I don't know if it's just me, but I know it's other YouTube reactors, but I know for me, that's how I fully judge whether or not I'm going to continue fully into a group, whether I really like the group, which I did, but let's say if I only got like 20 views, I probably would have held off on reacting to them for a while, because it was, because it's clearly not what people wanted to see. But no, it got so many views. And also Insomnia, you guys were so welcoming. The amount of welcome to Insomnia, the amount of welcome to Dream World, the amount of love and just welcomingness that you guys did in that first marathon of Dreamcatcher, it made me want to continue to react to them. And now, but they are one of my all-time favorite groups. They are one of my all-time favorite groups. They are the most fun group that I am enjoying. I love them so much, dude. Man. Either way, the next video of Dreamcatcher will be the album that I forgot what the album name was called, but the one for the Fly High one. Yeah, that album, which should be later this week. Yeah, I'm excited for that. Either way, yeah, that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.